third week of this month, and I just want to share what I've been working on for this week. Yeah, so this Tuesday I played around with my Arduino Uno board, and I played around with photo transistors to play with lights. So I made this thing where if you it can detect the different wavelengths in light, and basically it can separate RGB. Yeah, but I also have to use a filter on the phototransistor if I want it to, so that it filters out some specific color. Started with a tutorial, and then the tutorial was about detecting any light, any room light, but from that I made it into it must detect only red, using this new software called VVVV or V4. I like saying VVVV, I don't know. For the last 2 weeks or more, I was actually just going through their videos. They don't have a lot on YouTube, but whatever they have is pretty good. And I've been just like watching them just to get to know their interface, because I noticed that really helps a lot when I use a node-based tool like Touch Designer or Blueprint in Unreal. It's nice to watch videos before I jump into it. And then this week is probably the first formal week that I started using VVVV. So I'm always doing a lot of different things, and then I lose track of them, and then I think making some videos might be the nicest way to go look back, and hoping it will also help me to keep track of whatever that I work on. So I'm trying to make this UI that collects data in real time, and since there are real-time data involved, I'm having a bit difficult time building it in the app. If it was just virtual reality, I wouldn't need to build it in the app yet, but it's mixed reality, so in every step I have to build and test. Um, so yeah, but it's progressing. It's not like I got stuck and I'm just sitting there. Every week I get stuck, and then I move a little from that shitty corner and move a little some um, some light and hope. So so it's not like it's been difficult, like I'm doing really simple steps and it's taking a long time, but it's not like I'm completely stuck in one place with the project. So I'm still hopeful. I didn't lose hope yet, and yeah, I need to hurry on that project actually. So that, I guess, that realization sets what I need to do today and tomorrow. I think I need to focus a little on the XR project now.